TeeSquare is not a representation of our faith in Pakistan and its potential only. It's actually a representation of our faith in the people of Pakistan.
सिर्फ झंडियाँ ना लगाएं, आएँ हम सब मिलकर पाकिस्तान में लोगों को पढ़ाएं।
Let me start by saying that all roads lead to education. We need an educated Pakistan because we need to enable our people to make informed decisions about themselves, about the society and the nation as a whole. Education is not just a skill. It is a power that will allow Pakistan to remain relevant in the developed world and ensure sustainable growth for all of us. So in simple terms, education allows our people to be productive as well as be informed members of a dynamic growing society. We are a country of 227 million people and 2 out of 5 cannot read or write. We have 22 million children out of school, which is roughly the size of Taiwan. And the numbers for women are even worse. I mean, we hardly have 35% women who can read a sentence in Urdu. And mind you, we are one of the youngest populations in the world. So we are not gearing up to have this vast majority as productive members of the society. In fact, we are bracing ourselves to carry them as liabilities. We need engineers and doctors and philosophers and poets and artists. But we are not even giving our youth a chance to be someone because they cannot even read or write. Education allows intellectual development. And our youth needs to be put on a guided path. But this lack of education will not even allow them to be somewhere in the society. So, frankly, I place education on the same basic human rights level as food, shelter, and protection. To me, it's a ticking time bomb, and I think we have an educational emergency in Pakistan.
ये इतना आसान नहीं है और जो हमें समझ आई है इसको सॉल्व करने के लिए सोल्यूशन आसान चाहिए. आफ्टर ऑल इट्स एन एजुकेशन इमरजेंसी इन पाकिस्तान where we have millions to educate. टेक्नोलॉजी का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर तो बहुत लिमिटेड है. फिर हमें पता है कि हमारे टीचिंग की क्वालिटी सस्पेक्ट है और फिर ओवरऑल मॉनिटरिंग वीक है. TeamTaleem is our endeavor to address all of these challenges. Basically, TeamTaleem is designed to scale to breadth and depth of Pakistan. It basically has a pre-designed curriculum with quality content designed for local language, easily understood by local people. It addresses the technology infrastructure weaknesses in Pakistan and is able to reach millions and millions of adults and children who are not educated. हाँ, ये एक wish list लगती है, मगर अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह we have been able to do pilots with 200 learners in Karachi, Lahore and Islamabad. So it's more than a wish list, it's happening and we look forward to taking it to all parts of Pakistan.
So we're a very mission-driven team. We've kept ourselves very focused on imparting basic education. We've been very careful in jotting down our priorities and we've stuck to those priorities. We've consciously kept ourselves away from any glamour or even unnecessary expenses. We are very focused on enabling the learner to be able to read or write, which is the first step towards becoming gainfully employed. We have a very simple business model. And we have been very fortunate that we worked with the most genuine and competent partners who share the same dream for us, for Pakistan. आई हैव टू से ये सादिया और ज़ैनब का सफ़र नहीं है, ये एक कारवान था जो चला था, उसके साथ लोग जुड़ते गए और हम यहाँ तक पहुँच गए हैं. TeeSquare is not a representation of our faith in Pakistan and its potential only. It's actually a representation of our faith in the people of Pakistan. Whoever crossed our path wanted to contribute to TeeSquare in whatever capacity they could. All the people of Pakistan need is an opportunity to rise above and beyond and contribute for the sake of Pakistan. And that's what TeeSquare is all about.
Our Sword to 100 campaign aims to fight illiteracy in Pakistan. We hope to raise sponsorship for our 100 learners who we've enrolled in our learning centers through this campaign. Your contribution will help them get education in foundational courses of English, Urdu and Maths. On this auspicious occasion of the 75th Independence Day, सिर्फ झंडियाँ ना लगाएं, आएँ हम सब मिलकर पाकिस्तान में लोगों को पढ़ाएं, जश्न आज़ादी मनाएं.